Hello everyone, welcome to Sunya IAS. Today in this video we are going to discuss about daily answer writing. Okay, so first of all we will discuss what are the features of daily answer writing program. Then we will discuss how is it important. Okay, why you must join this program, and then we'll discuss about how to join. So let us go further in the video. Features. So guys, every day one question is published on the website and you will have to write answer to this question. You will have to submit within 24 hours. Say for example, today is 1st of January and the question is usually put around 10 a.m. in the morning. This is everyday routine on our website. You will have to submit your answer before 10 a.m. on 2nd January. Okay guys, before. After you submit it, evaluation will be done within 28 to 48 hours of your submission timeline. Also, you will be provided model answers for each of the question that is provided to you, which will help you enrich your content. It will take you through how to structure each question, what kind of introductions you can use, what would be the subcomponents of the body, what approach you can use for each question. Plus, we are also going to provide you video discussion of each day so that in case you are a beginner and you don't know how to frame your answers, you will get a very good insight from the video discussions. They will be very helpful. This program is like a 4-month program. Say for example, in month 1 we are doing GS1, month 2 we are doing GS2, questions only from that paper, from GS3, and month 4 will be GS4. Okay, so in 4 months, you can complete your entire syllabus and practice writing questions from entire syllabus at least once. So all in all, it is a win-win situation. You get into a habit of writing daily. You get into a habit of framing structures. It will be very quick once you join and it becomes a daily practice. You will get near perfect model answers. Evaluation, critical evaluation will help you improve every day. And at the end of the month, or say 10 days, 15 days, or the program, you will see a huge difference in your answer writing. So let us see how it goes. This is our website. It's a screenshot from our website. In October, we wrote answers on GS1. November was GS2, December GS3, January. This month, we are doing GS4 questions. So questions are posted on our website. Here you will get an option to upload your answer. Once the 24-hour deadline is gone, the upload button will vanish from your portal. The question paper is made in a format of answer sheet, just like UPSC. Okay. Model answers are provided to all the questions. Once your copy is evaluated, the status will change in this box and you will get an option to download your evaluated copy, which will help you understand that what mistakes you made. So guys, getting your mistakes corrected on a daily basis and improving your skills is what will get you towards writing good answers which can fetch good marks. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of DAW? We have been discussing it, but let's look at it more objectively in this slide. Guys, the syllabus of UPSC is very vast as the sea. Okay. Say, for example, the revolt of 1857. Now, in most of the books, it is given in a story format, but UPSC is never going to ask a question to which the answer will be in a story format. Maybe the impact will be asked, maybe the causes will be asked, and in these also UPSC sometimes asks only one sector. Okay, social causes, maybe political causes. This is the trend of UPSC, how it frames questions. Okay, so you will know what to study and how to study. This will really help your preparation. When you get daily feedback, you are learning daily, you are improving daily. Improving daily will get you a very good exponential, improvement in your answer writing. See, even if you want to scale Mount Everest, you cannot scale in one step. You have to take small steps every day and then you can go. So this is the same. Okay. And another benefit is sometimes, many a times I would say, you get direct questions which are similar in nature. So you will be very quick in making the structures, understanding the demand of the question. Sometimes subcomponents of the questions you've already written will be asked. Okay, so in all these cases, our material is very highly replicable. Okay, the retention is better because we use very simple and lucid language, and you can replicate the same points in a question. These are all the feedbacks given by the students. You can check our Telegram channel for more feedback from students. Right now, the question is, ma'am, how to subscribe to this program? You have to go to our website suniaias.in, go to mains test series tab. There you will find daily answer writing tab. You go on it and it will take you to the subscribe button. For an easier way out, we have given the link to subscribe in the description box itself. But guys, this program, the seats get filled very fast. So in case when you're watching the video, you cannot find a seat, you have to wait till 20th of the month. So if this is January, wait till January 20th. If it is February, wait till 20th February. Okay, because we mostly open seats on this date. And the seats get filled up in a day or two. So if you are not watching it around 20th, and if you are not getting a spot, please set a reminder anywhere so that you can subscribe to this program for very good improvement. It will tell you how to read, what to read. It will teach you how to write, and you can see great improvement. It is a prerequisite for getting to the final list. So guys, I would say thank you very much for listening to all this. Plus we have a surprise for all of you. As you know, Sunia IAS is always with you in every step of your examination. We have put a video course on how to write essay. Okay, all kinds of essays, how to approach them. A complete video course is put on our website, on our YouTube channel as well. And please take as much benefit as you can out of these course. Also, we have a complete course on how to approach case studies. So the half of your portion of the ethics paper, the GS41, will be taken care by this video course. This video course is also entirely free for all the students, and you can go to our YouTube channel and start watching these section. This is like a one-stop solution for all your case studies. You don't need to read anything else after this. Guys, if you really like this video, find it informative, please share with your friends, please like it, and please subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon. Thank you guys.